The faculty that I work with and that Jamie works with are just really great. Very different in their approaches, but they both have an overall goal to make us successful after we leave college, whether it's to go to graduate school or to find a job. They're the types of people who will write you letters of recommendation, set you up with interviews and internships, help get you some undergrad research opportunity, and just help you know the people you need to know and know the things in your field you need to know to be successful. Our presentation was about finding places where there might be pre-Clovis human evidence in the San Luis Valley. And that would be, the Clovis people are accepted as the first group of humans to inhabit the New World. And there's been some growing evidence that there were people before that. So our research is to identify places where there might be pre-Clovis human evidence.
We did find sediment and soil layers, pretty much a paleo environment time frame that does work with the pre-Clovis, but as for finding the actual hardcore evidence of human association there has not been found yet. Some mammoth bones are being looked at and carbon-14 dated, but as for finding projectile points that are specific to pre-Clovis based on their shape and whatnot, we haven't found that yet, but there's a lot of area that can still be looked into. We've only done one summer worth of research, about a week per 4 sites that were looked at in the valley. I've stayed here pretty much because of the earth science program, and the faculty have been just so supportive, and they're just spouting out ideas for what you can do and just always willing to be really helpful and like giving you options. I feel like I would never really have I've been more floundering if I were have gone to a big school.
It's one thing to learn something from a textbook or from a lab, but it's completely different when you have all these tools that you've learned and you go out into the field and you have to apply them. It's not a textbook scenario. You are forced to describe things and you have to be accurate. And it's not, and the only way you're going to have a right answer is if you come up with it yourself.